Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to episode 161 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about how you can boost your credit history without actually opening new accounts. So I always tell you guys that I want you guys to have 4 credit cards reporting on your credit reports and 2 installment accounts. You guys may already have, like me, I have a lot of credit cards. If I add any new credit cards in my credit report right now, my credit score is going to be lower. So I want you guys to come up with different ways, which I'm going to tell you now, to actually increase your credit score. And this is what I look at too. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I need a little bit more points. I want to be at a certain number. These are different things I look at too to see if I got all of this in check. And this can help you all too. This is really for those people that already got more than 4, I would say 4 to 8 credit cards, already reporting your credit reports. Sometimes adding a new account is going to lower your credit score because you got to have a new hard inquiry and your average age is going to be messed up, and that's not what we want. So hopefully this helped you all, but let's get into the different things that you all can do. Now, the first thing is you have to make sure that if you want to boost your credit score, you want to make sure that you're paying all of your accounts on time. So ensure that all your bills are paid on time, including your credit cards, loans, utilities, and they are paid before the due date. Set up automatic payment and reminders too to avoid a late payment. I tell you guys that all the time. I have all of my minimum payments set on auto pay. And if you guys find that you have late payments on your credit reports, I suggest you all remove those late payments. On my website, here is my website here, Rickita.com. You'll see I have dispute letters for late payments. Work to remove those late payments from your credit reports. Okay, work to remove those late payments from your credit reports. And I also have other letters there if you have other negative accounts too, or you need to actually increase your credit score. I'm going to show you that at the very end too. So just stick around. I'll show you guys how to get those letters because I even have some free ones available. Next, you want to reduce your credit utilization. Now, a lot of time they say keep your credit balance below 30% limit every month. I tell you guys to pay your statement balance by your due date and keep that number at 5% for the best possible credit score that you can have. So just see if you can pay down some of your credit cards right now to help with your utilization, and that can help with your actual history and actually your credit score too. Think about asking for an increase on your credit cards. So ask these different companies that you have, ask them for an increase. So the higher the credit limit, that can help improve your utilization also. So contact their credit card issuer and request a credit limit increase. And then this can help you with your overall utilization too, bringing it down. So this is a great one. Make sure that you guys maintain your old accounts. A lot of times people want to close these old accounts, but keep an older account, credit accounts open, even if you don't use them frequently, can actually help you keep your credit score at a high number. Closing your old accounts can shorten your credit history, and it can negatively impact your credit score. So make sure you guys are not closing these accounts. Just keep them open. If you have credit cards, make sure about every 6 months you go and swipe it. I don't care if you're just getting gas, or if you got a store credit card, you got a Victoria's Secret credit card, get you some underwear or something, just one little thing. They usually have a coupon too, for if you got store cards, you want to maintain it. You really don't want to buy nothing new. If you want to keep that account open, you have to use that credit. So make sure that you guys maintain your old accounts. Avoid missed payments. We kind of went into this already when I said make sure you set up everything on auto pay, but I'm not telling you guys nothing wrong about this. Please have it all set up on auto pay and then double check to make sure that it is paid every month. I literally have a spreadsheet where I just have all my bills paid, and in the beginning of the month I just pay them all, and then I go down and see like what exactly I need to put my eyes on, or what need to be paid, or what don't need to be paid. I just want to make sure that this was paid for the month. The statement balance was paid, not just the minimum, but the statement balance. I go in and force a payment just to make sure everything is paid on time. And I want you guys to really avoid these missed payments. And then make sure that you guys are managing your debt effectively. Okay, this is another big thing that you guys need to look into. Reducing your outstanding debt can help improve your credit score in general. So focus on paying down some of your existing debts, and some that have that high interest rate too. And if you can, look into Dave Ramsey, because he always talk about paying off debt and getting rid of your debt. So this can be a great one for you guys. And dispute any negative accounts. I told you guys that I'm going to show you guys the letters that you can use, but definitely dispute your negative debts with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And if you need to, you could, I don't want you guys to do it. I wanted you guys to not open without opening any new accounts. But think about a secure credit card. If you guys is in a different place where you can't get any type of credit, think about getting a secure credit card, because that can help you with your credit history. And this is for those people that's like, Rickita, I don't have 4 credit cards. I don't have any credit cards. Like, I need to improve my history. Just get you a nice secure credit card that's going to graduate, where you're not going to think about closing that credit card anytime soon, because they don't have an annual fee, like Capital One, Discover, and Navy Federal. Look into those. So those can help you for sure. But if you follow these different tips and then check out the dispute letters I'm going to show you, then you can have a great chance of actually boosting your credit history and your credit score without opening any new accounts, and start working to remove any of those negative accounts, because that can help you all tremendously. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to, maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts in your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events that I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and it's going to actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this one have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card. Apply now, so you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards, so you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, but not, well, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you can see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some other reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.